Good morning, student. Hope all of you are doing well. Today, from your writing section, we will learn how to write a lost notice. First, you look at this picture. What do you see here? Does it look like a notice board? Yes, this is a notice board. And what do we usually put on a notice board? Yes, we put notice on a notice board. As you can see in the picture, so many notices are being pinned up there. Now, what is a notice? Let us try to define a notice. Yes, here you got your answer. A notice is a formal means of communication. It can be written or in printed form. The purpose of notice is to announce or display information, and the targeted group, it is targeted to a specific group of people. So this is how we define a notice. Notice, again, it is a formal means of communication. It can be in written form or it can be in printed form, and the purpose is to announce or display information, and it is targeted to a specific group of people. So this is what a notice is. Next, let us learn more about the format or certain guidelines which you need to follow when you write a notice. First, here you see a box, and inside the box you see so many things. So that means when you write a notice, you have to put it in a box. First, you see the name of the organization or the institution issuing the notice. Say here, for example, if you are writing the notice, then as a student, you have to write the name of your school. Now, in the next line, after leaving a line, you find on the left hand side the date. Here you have to write in the format date, month and year. And in the same line, in the middle, you have to write the word notice, and this also need to be written in capital letter. Now, after leaving a line, you have to write the heading or the topic, and again this also you need to write in capital letter. Then after this, you need to leave a line, and you will start the body of the notice. As you complete the body of the notice, on the left hand side down, you have to put your signature, name and designation. So these are the certain format rules or guidelines of writing a notice, and this is very important, dear student, because if you fail to follow the guidelines or the format correctly, then marks are deducted here. Now next, let me put emphasis on the body of the notice. What should be the content area of your notice? First, you have here what. What is the notice about? So what information you are giving to the reader of your notice, whether you are informing about the competition or lost or found or an invitation. Next, who is to be addressed about, to whom you want this notice to reach. It means next point is where is the event. Here it refers to the place. And when has the event going to or happen. So this again refers to time and the date. Now the next point is what to do. That it means the instruction to be mentioned, certain instruction that you want to give, it should be there in the body of the notice. Then the last point is whom to contact. Here you have to give certain names of a person whom the reader will contact after reading the notice. So these are the certain things you need to pay attention, or you need to keep in mind when you write the body of the notice. Next is, I have for you a sample notice, lost notice, and looking at this, let us try to learn more about how to write a lost notice. You see here, first you see the name of the institution. Here I have written Model High School. This is the name of the institution, and as I have told you that this needs to be written in capital letter. Then you find the date in the format of date, month and year on the left hand side. Then you find the word notice written in capital letter. Then you have to leave a line as you see it in the notice here. Then you have the heading. I have written it here for you, lost. And the next is the body of the notice. Let's read this notice. This is to inform all that I have lost my pencil box. Here, pencil box, you are informing that this is lost. On 5th May 2020, here again you are giving the time and the day and the year when this pencil box was lost. Then in the examination hall, here again you are informing the place where it has been lost. It is blue in color with a Pokemon sticker on the front side. Some more information you provide about the material that is being lost. If anybody finds it, kindly hand it over to the undersigned. This is the instruction that you are providing. A suitable reward is promised. Again, more on the instruction. So this is the body of the notice. Then as you complete the body of the notice, you write there down Rani Devi, class 6, section B. This is the name and designation. Just before the name, you have to put your signature. So this is a sample notice of lost. I hope you will be able to practice more looking at this. So for you, I have more important points here. Let us see what you need to remember when you write a notice. Notice writing comes under writing skills in your question paper. Word limit is 50 and the format should be correctly maintained, as I have told you how to maintain the format. And the formal words should be used, like kindly, then undersigned. These are all formal words. You should not use any informal words when you write notice. Next is date, time, venue should be clearly mentioned when you write the notice. Then another important point is notice writing is for 5 marks, and this is break up into content carries 3 marks. Content is the body of the notice. Accuracy, your grammar, and carries 1 mark. Fluency, it carries 1 mark, your presentation here. And after completing the notice or even before it, you have to put the notice in a box. So these are the key points which you always need to remember when you write a notice. Now, I have a home assignment for you. You read the question carefully, and with the help of the sample notice which I have just shown, you practice this in your notebook. So the question is, you are Raja / Rani. So if you are a girl, you write or put your signature as Rani, and if you are a boy, you will put your name as Raja. of class 6A. This is your designation, studying in Kendra Vidyalaya, Imphal 2. So this is the name of the institution, and you have lost your tiffin box in the school campus. So this is information that you have to provide in the notice. Write a lost notice to be put up in the school notice board. So dear student, you do this in your classwork notebook and submit it after you complete doing it. So that's all for today. Let us meet next time. Thank you.